In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up trial reels in Repurpose for Instagram. If you want to automatically send content from another platform straight to Instagram Reels, Repurpose.io makes the process simple. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to get everything connected and properly configured so your workflow can run automatically in the background. First, log into your Repurpose.io account and head to the Connections area. This is where you link the platforms you want to use with your automation. Once you're there, connect your Instagram account. Make sure you're connecting the correct Instagram profile because this is the destination where your Reels will be published. It's a good idea to double check that the connection is active and fully authorized before moving on, since the workflow depends on that connection working properly. After your Instagram account is connected, go to the Workflow section. This is where you create the automation that tells Repurpose.io what content to take, where to take it from, and where to send it. Click Create a new workflow to begin. You'll then be asked to choose a source and a destination. For the source, select the platform where your content is currently coming from. Depending on your setup, that might be something like TikTok or Google Drive. Choose the option that matches your content library or posting process. For the destination, select Instagram Reels. This tells Repurpose.io that the videos pulled from your source should be prepared and sent specifically as Reels on Instagram. Once the workflow is created, open the workflow settings and look for the option labeled Trial Reels. Enable that setting. This step is important because it allows the workflow to use trial reels as part of your Instagram publishing setup. If you skip this, the workflow may not behave the way you expect. So take a moment to confirm that the setting is turned on. Finally, set the workflow to auto by toggling it on. This activates the automation, meaning Repurpose.io will automatically monitor your selected source and send eligible content to Instagram Reels based on the workflow you just built. Turning on auto is what makes the whole system hands-free, so you don't have to manually repeat the process each time. And that's it. Once your Instagram account is connected, your workflow is created, trial reels is enabled, and auto is turned on, your setup is ready to go. If you're managing content across multiple platforms, this can save a lot of time and keep your publishing process much more consistent.